Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It is Monday, March 19th, about 10:45. We do have an area of low pressure back out here in Oklahoma, Kansas, southwest Missouri. We see these isobars. Those are the lines, equal lines of pressure. That low will move eastward today towards northern Arkansas and into Tennessee. That keeps the low mostly to our south, and so the greatest threat of severe weather will remain to our south as well. We'll talk about that a little bit more. We see radar here. We see some scattered showers and thunderstorms across our area. One band moving through western Kentucky and Tennessee, another one back here in Missouri. We will have additional showers and thunderstorms develop as we move through the day, and some of those storms could be locally heavy. We take a look at our visible satellite this morning, and you can see clouds draped across our area, and if you notice that spin to our west, that is that area of low pressure over northeast Oklahoma, and that again is going to slide eastward today, and that's going to be responsible for a cold front, a warm front, and showers and thunderstorms. The warm front will mostly be to our south, and again it's south of that front where the warmer air is, the moist air, and the greater risk of severe weather. But it will be close, and I'll show you the severe weather outlook here in just a second. These clouds will continue to move through our area through tonight, even wrapping around some colder air as we move into late tonight. Can't rule out a few wet snowflakes as temperatures fall. No accumulation or any problems, just flakes in the air mixed with the rain. Just an indicator that the first day of spring is going to be chilly. Says it's spring on the calendar, but it is not going to feel like spring. We take a look at the Storm Prediction Center severe weather outlook for today. Now we've got a bunch of colors here. Let's talk about those. The light green across most of our area, that's just general thunderstorms, not anticipated to be severe, could produce some small hail. As we move down into the Missouri Boot Hill, western Kentucky, and northwest Tennessee, this dark green zone, that's a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk, 1 being the lowest. Move into parts of Tennessee and Mississippi, and you see this lighter orange shade, that's a slight risk of severe thunderstorms, a level 2 out of 5. And then we move down here into the dark orange zone, that's a level 3 out of 5. 5 being the highest risk. Pretty good risk of severe thunderstorms today across portions of the Tennessee Valley and then down into the lower Mississippi Valley. We see a chance of tornadoes even across parts of Tennessee, maybe Mississippi, and especially Alabama and western Georgia. We will just have to keep an eye on the Missouri Boot Hill into our border counties of Tennessee and Kentucky. Hail is the main concern, maybe some strong winds. There is a small tornado risk because the warm front will be through in near the area, especially across the Boot Hill and Kentucky-Tennessee borders. The tornado risk is small, but you can't ever rule one out when you have a warm front near you and you have that area of low pressure moving in. We call that the triple point, the low, the warm front, and the cold front, and that will probably pass through portions of the Missouri Boot Hill, northeast Arkansas, and western Tennessee. So the main time frame of concern is going to be from about 11:30 a.m. to 3:30 or 4 p.m. this afternoon, and it will be from a band of showers and thunderstorms that will develop along the front. Let's take a look at a futurecast radar from the HRRR model. Here is that HRRR model. This is a high resolution model, does fairly well with thunderstorms, and as we move through today, we'll stop here at 12 o'clock, and you can see a band of storms that's formed along the cold front from parts of eastern Missouri down into the Missouri Boot Hill, and then as we move through this afternoon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 3 o'clock, we'll keep an eye on a few of these thunderstorms, mainly southern part of our area, maybe severe, better chance as you move towards middle Tennessee, Alabama, and Mississippi. We may have some thunderstorms develop back here with the area of low pressure and the cold core low pressure over southern Missouri. We'll keep an eye on that for some reports of hail as well. As we move through this evening, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and 8 o'clock, we do see the rain and storms pushing off to our east. Some wraparound precipitation across portions of Missouri and Illinois, maybe even some wet snowflakes late tonight. Just a reminder that it is going to be cold as we move through tonight, tomorrow. A frost or freeze is possible Tuesday and again Wednesday night, and then a slow warming trend into the weekend with perhaps some more rain. You can find me on Facebook under Bo Dotson Weather, Twitter at Bo Dotson, and be sure and sign up for the app and text messages BoDotsonWeather.com. If we have any severe weather, I'll be pushing out those notifications as we move through today. If you have any weather photos to share, you can send those to me on Twitter at Bo Dotson. You can send them to my email, bodotson@usawx.com, or you can post them on the Facebook weather page, and that's under Bo Dotson Weather on Facebook.